So why would you choose Kofkin Bond Co as your financial planners? There are 14,000 financial planners in Australia to choose from, and of the 14,000, nearly 85% are currently licensed through major financial institutions like banks or thus AMP as an example. Of the 15% that are left, which we are one of, we actually will look at making sure you are looked after as an individual. Doesn't matter whether you're a business owner and your business is turning over $500 million or whether you're just a mum and dad investor. Our job is to make sure that we look after you and your needs as an individual. So as an example of that, if in the past you have had or put an insurance policy in place or been sold an insurance policy, is that insurance policy protected? So one of the things that we do as a strategy-based financial planner is ensuring that if that insurance policy is in place, that it is protected to make sure that in the event of a claim, the money goes to the people that you want it to go to as seamlessly as possible, and ensuring that that money is protected from potential predators, unnecessary tax being paid, etc. That is what our job is to do. It is our job to make sure that in dealing direct rather than dealing through managed funds, that your investments are protected at all time, that you can go direct into the Australian share market or internationally, you can have fixed interest exposure without having to deal through a managed fund, which can be expensive, number one, but secondly, you can, as what happened during the GFC, be subject to the potential fraud or lockouts that happened with people's funds. So our job as one of that 15% is to ensure that you are looked after as an individual, to make sure that at all times you're protected and that your family and your estate is protected in the most tax effective manner with the correct structures in place to ensure that you have peace of mind at all times.